Hindu editorial that we are going to discuss is a slim stimulus. The government cannot wait for the pandemic to ease or to loosen the purse things further. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's fresh set of measures on Monday to spur consumer demand and capital expenditure include an interestingly designed tweak to the LTS allowances to government employees. Her reckoning is that these would lend 73,000 crores demand spurred to prop up the elating economy in the second half of the year. This could this could rise beyond 1 lakh crore if a private sector employees offered similar LTC incentives. With industrial output slipping, new stimulus measures have been growing ahead of a particularly bleak festive season. But this package, which will cost ensure about 0.2% of GDP, taking overall fiscal support through the pandemic to 1.7% of GDP, may not be as persuasive as may have been envisaged, enhancing the center capital expenditure in specific sectors by rupees 25,000 crore from the extant level of rupees 4.12 lakh crores in laudable but pandemic restrictions have affected the ability to get new projects going till August. Just about 1.3 lakh crores of the budgeted capex have been spent. The same problem plagues that 12,000 crore offered as an interest free 50-year loan to states. The capital spending over the next 6 months. While the states have been allowed to use these loans to pay off existing contractors, due to these amounts, an offer are unlikely to have an impact of rupees 2,000 crores has been set aside for states that managed to complete three of four farms mandated in the earlier Atmanirbhar Bharat package is ordered to get additional borrowing leeway. Only some states may qualify for this. Too many conditions also pervade the consumption push. LinkedIn LTC perks of government staff who have not availed them yet due to restricted travel during the pandemic to spending of on non-travel items is an innovative nudge, but requiring them to spend 3 times their return ticket fares under LTC on goods and services, attracting at least 12% of GST from GST registered vendors. Maybe too perspective and overlooks and reluctance towards discretionary spending due to low visibility on the economy's prospects. Eligible employees may find the scheme complex and too expensive to avail. One hopes the government has more in its quiver to expedite recovery. Waiting too long for the pandemic to ease for loosening these purse loosening these stimulates from those their jobs and saving of the relief measures. Even the IMF has been urging countries to diminish the damage. And this is our today's Hindu editorial. Thank you.